Wet dust collection equipment by Diversitech is an excellent choice for capturing combustible or explosive dust. But as with any dust collection equipment, they require periodic maintenance. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the steps required for making sure your Diversitech wet dust collection equipment is properly cleaned and maintained for maximum performance and longevity. The following maintenance schedule guidelines are based on average usage seen during a typical 16-hour workday. Accumulation of sludge in a wet dust collector can affect the unit's overall performance. The water reservoir must be skimmed at least once a week to remove surface debris and accumulated sludge. This can be done using a manual scooping device such as a shovel or an appropriate vacuum pump designed for the task. Collected waste must be disposed in accordance to local regulations. Inside the collector is a manifold assembly called a water tree. This assembly can be removed to aid in simplifying cleanup. To minimize mold and odors, water in the reservoir can be treated with an appropriate disinfecting agent. It is important to note that chlorine can only be used in units that are made entirely of stainless steel. Depending on usage, every 2 to 6 months the collector will need to go through a deep cleaning cycle. The first step is to remove the majority of accumulated sludge while the machine is still wet. Next, the water tree must be removed. All the water must be drained and the machine must be allowed to dry completely. Chip away any hardened materials that have bonded to the interior walls and edges of the collector. Use a dry vacuum to collect any loose dusts and then rinse the unit with water. Replace the water tree and refill the collector with water. Collectors that feature auto water leveling will automatically refill to the correct level. Units that have manual refill must be filled to the correct level as indicated in the owner's manual.